Hi there, this is Monar Hussain from Wix Web Expert, and today I have opened a website that's made by Wix, and we will find the issue of this website and what we can improve and how can we can make the website more accessible, or the user experience will be more good. So first of all, that I can see on this website, the problem is the website owners can be the logo. The logo is not linked with the home page. Every website logo should be linked with the home page. I can see here the language is different. Maybe the website owner is doing the website for the local purchase or something look like that. I can see here the card icons. Obviously it's a e-commerce website, and we have seen the categories here. Here we can see there have display some of the categories. If I click any of the categories, then it's going to the right subcategories. Okay, and let me make the website language to English so I can understand it very easily. Yes, this is the home page. Here is the product categories. There they have displayed some of the categories, and the problem is the logo should be linked with the home page, and there most of the website are not displaying the home page there. But if they want, they can display the home here, but the menu design is not very professional. The design should be more professional, then it will look more appealing. And the search functionality, is it working? Yes, the search functionality is working. This is very handy for a e-commerce website to find the right product. And I can see here the exit button. What is the exit button? There maybe it is a login button. Every e-commerce user will have an account automatically on the Wix website, on this website, so it not should called exit, it called the profile or something look like that. And yeah, everything is fine. And then I can see here have not the favicon. So every website have a favicon, but this website have not a favicon. Favicon is important for the search engine optimization, so obviously need to include the favicon here, then it will help to rank. And as well as if I will scroll it down, view categories, when I click here it will go to the all page. It's fine working, but here is a video, and then again the video, and this video quality is very low, maybe because it's bigger now. So what we can do, as already have a video there, this video should be placed another way, so the video quality will be same. Okay, and we can place this video differently, and here the yours and this word is not showing properly, so we need to put it in different way. Calculate cost, so it's going also all of the categories. This is showing good, the cloud, and this section is looking good, but here I can see shop by categories. This is the different categories, so this should be updated, this need should be updated. And then let me find, and then if I click shop now here, it's going to a page not found things, so this link should be fixed. And if I will go here, top seller, here should need to be display some of the products, and this should be updated. The review should be updated as well. And I can see here terms and condition, and there have no page about the terms and conditions. So every e-commerce website should have terms and condition, privacy policy, shipping policy, the refund policy, and FAQ page, but they can leave the accessibility statement page. And here should be updated the contact information. And if I click the TikTok, then it's going to Wix website, so the social media should be updated here. And I can see here smart, this is the Wix template name. Here should be name Mango Parts and built on Wix Studio, you can leave that. And then if I will click the special order page, I can see this page made for special order, so there should have a contact forum or something look like that, so the website owner will collect the special order and they can proceed with the order. And here I have a newsletter subscriber option. Yes, this is very important. And the collected email, they can do the marketing letter with a email campaign or something look like that. So this is very handy. And yeah, overall look like this. And obviously need to make the website fully mobile responsive. If I will go to the FAQ page, I can see they have some of the dummy FAQ. So this FAQ should be updated. Yeah, that's it maybe with this website. And obviously need to make the website fully mobile responsive, because there are most of the visitors are from their mobile phone. So obviously need to make sure the website is mobile responsive. And when the website will be done, then need to do the search engine optimization for this website to rank on Google search. Yeah, that's it. And here I can see the WhatsApp button. If I click here, it's picking up the phone call as they have used here WhatsApp icon. So it should be go directly to the WhatsApp message that I have done for my website. This is my agency website, wixwebexpert.com. There I am providing Wix website services, redesign, design, and search engine as well. And I am doing that since 2017, and I am verified on Wix marketplace. And I have used here the WhatsApp icon as well. So if anyone click on the WhatsApp icon, it's going to directly picking up the phone number, and they can continue to chat with me. This is very easier. So I think this link should be updated. So when we will update that, it will send them directly to WhatsApp to send the message. That's it. And this part is looking very professional and good. This is okay, I think. Yeah. And this website also should include the about us page, so there you can explain about your brand or what you do properly. So need a about us page, and we should need to option here to contact us page, because when any customer will face the issue with the products, so they will on your website will have an option to send the message. Here I have WhatsApp, but contact page is important for the search engine optimization and for the customer as well, so they can contact you directly. Here is the WhatsApp icon. So this link should be updated, look like as my website. Here I have also used a WhatsApp icon. When anyone click on it, it's going directly to send the message to WhatsApp. So this should be updated for this website. So that's it. This was the suggestion for this website, and hopefully if they can fix this issue, then this website look more professional. So that's it for today. Thank you so much. Bye for now.